All right, WMC, this is the video. Oh, let me put that in there real quick. There we go. This is the video to find our 3 mini winners for the Brewers 2003 All-Star. So we'll check the time, July 29th at 12:19 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. And we've got July 29th at 12:19 p.m. There we go. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Good luck looking for the top 3. It is Scott, Bill, Scott. So Scott, you'll get your pick of 4. Bill, you get 3. And then Scott, you'll get the remainder. So there is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 29th, 12:20 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.